guys, so this is topic 2-1, and you're going to need your notes and your pencil. The objective, or what your goal is today, is that you will write numerical expressions with variables to represent relations expressed verbally. It's a big word, big words. Basically that means you're going to take math sentences and turn them into problems. You're going to write numbers as expression math problems with letters that represent things expressed verbally, this stuff. So what we like to call it with the Roman numeral 1 is Mathese. And what Mathese is this secret math languages that math nerds thought of because they didn't get asked out on dates in high school. So in high school, ask the math nerds out so that they stop messing with us with all this talk. Okay? So Mathese, it's math language. So we need to translate all these things. The first one is A, plus, more, add, increased. All these words mean this symbol. Minus, less, subtract, or decreased. All those words mean this symbol. Product, times, or of. All those words mean the multiply symbol. Remember, we're going to use a dot from now on, not the x, because an x is a variable. So you can use a dot. Quotient, divide. Those mean this symbol. In Mathese, if you see them say a number, it means a letter. And usually they tell you the letter. They'll say like a number Q, a number X, and that means use that variable. Than. When you see than in a math problem, that means switch the order. So if the math problem said 6 less than 10, it means 6. Less means minus. Oh, than. Oh, switch the order. Don't put the 6 in front. You're going to put the 6 in back and the 10 in front. We switch the order. Let's try that again. 4 more than 2. So we do 4 more than. Switch the order. Okay. And the last word to know is and. And means put parentheses around it. So now that you've written this down, we're going to practice by translating these sentences. We're going to do these together. You need to write them down because they look like your work today. The product of 6 and a number. So product means multiplying, so it is of. So we're going to do multiplying, but what are we going to be multiplying? 6 and a number. A number, what number? If they just say a number, that means a variable. So product of 6 and a number. Then it has the word and. So and tells us we need to put this in parentheses. It can look like this, or you could write it like this. Remember, when a variable is pressed against a numeral, it's kissing, it's multiplying. Yeah, like that. 4 less than W. So we have 4. What does less mean? Less means minus. Than tells us we need to switch the order. So instead of the 4 in front, we're going to put the W in front and the 4 in the back. This is 4 less than this number, or that W. 8 divided by a number S. So they told us what number to use, what variable to use. So 8 divided by the number S. 3 more than a number 8 times Q. Oh. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. 3 more. Than tells us we're going to put this in the back. So let's erase it. We're going to put it over here and finish our sentence. A number 8 times Q. 8 times Q. So this is 3 more than the number 8 times q. Six times the difference of w and 9. 6 times the difference of w and 9. Right here, it's confusing. This is a difference, which is subtracting, and which is multiplying. This right here, we're not going to use our multiplying because it says difference, and we're going to stick with that. So it's 6 times the difference of w and 9, and the word and tells us to put the parentheses around it. 6 times the difference of w and 9.